After 10 years of using GoPro, there's finally a better camera on the market, the DJI Osmo Action 6. My favorite part about this new camera is the 1/1.1 inch square sensor. This enables 4K custom mode, which records in 4K vertical and 4K horizontal at the same time. You choose which aspect ratio you want your videos to be. There is no need to manually flip the camera anymore. The Action 6 has an industry first variable aperture. This allows you to take night recording to the next level. We're testing the super night mode on the DJI Osmo Action 6. It was dark at the track. So dark I took off my tinted visor. But look at all the light super night mode is capturing. This footage looks brilliant for night recording. Filming with the DJI Action 6. The audio is from the DJI Mic Mini that is placed inside my helmet for vlogging. This is 4K 30 frames per second with the regular lens on the natural wide mode. The standard lens field of view is very wide and the 10-bit color looks excellent, but the field of view boost lens produced my favorite perspective. The field of view boost lens allows you to see much more of your hands while riding. This can show you much more of your technique. It's my favorite field of view.
Good. You want to move on to the ND filters next?
I tested each one of the ND filters with the standard lens. They progressively get more contrast and motion blur the higher the number gets. I also tried the horizon balancing and horizon steady mode. They look better in some situations. There are several other settings to customize the video exactly how you want it to look. The most convenient upgrade to recording is that the industry-leading DJI microphones work on all the Osmo cameras wirelessly with crisp audio. Making content just got easier.
Million views!